Hey there everyone, in this quick video of iPad Essential, I am going to talk about a very important setting in your system and how you can enable it. This setting is known as True Tone. So in order to enable True Tone display, all we need to do is we need to tap on setting, and then here you need to scroll down your left navigation bar and try to find out brightness and display. Tap on it and here you will see option which says True Tone. So what True Tone option does is it automatically adapts the iPad display based on the ambient lighting condition to make color appear more consistent in different environment. So this is exactly what this option do, and by default it was disabled, so we just enabled it. And this option is really one of the option which you would like to enable. So that's how guys we can enable True Tone display inside our iPad. Hope you find it helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to iPad Essential for more such iPad related tips and tricks, and I will see you with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.